What is sociology? Is sociology a science? Give reasons. For more updates, subscribe the channel and click the bell icon below this video. Sociology is the science of the social life of man and the society. They are the central objects of all sociological studies. The nature and characteristic of the object of study cast their reflections on the science of sociology. The turmoil of changes in the patterns of society and the interrelationship of human beings are important subjects of sociology. But underneath the waves of changes lie the more potent undercurrents which resist changes in their course, even the face of hard resistances. And the complexity of human interrelationship is based by some mysterious law of nature upon some very simple and unchanging foundations. Sociology is thus very interesting due to its quality of nature. It, on the one hand, studies those elements of human society which are, by and large, independent of time and place. On the other hand, it takes into account those elements in society which are ever changing and always varying. It can, therefore, be summed up that sociology is interested both in the changing mood of society and its internal stability. Cooperation and conflict, competition and equality, universality and transitories, such are the elements which make up the fields of sociological studies or investigations. Man is linked with all ages of his development. He inherits from his parents and past what has already passed into the oblivion of the bygone. His dissatisfactions with the present makes to brood over his future that should come up to his hopes. The traditions, the customs, and the institutions came from the past. Man adopts them to his present life. Failure in doing so inspires him evolve new social organizations first in idea is and brings them in real life. Sometimes man sacrifices his present for the golden hopes of a distant future. Sociology accounts for them all and in doing to triumphs over time. The present interests we must because in it we live. But life of a man extends beyond the boundaries on present and march in the distances of past and future. The present for men as social being cannot have an isolated existence. Hence sociology, above all, give us a synthesis not of human groups, customs and institutions alone, but also what they were, what they are, and what they should be. Every science is a study of one aspect of reality or the other. All emerge from the common spring of man's eternal thirst for knowledge. From this point of view, all sciences are related to one another. Apart from this common relationship, various sciences are more apparently united by certain bonds which often tend to bring sciences into distinct group of kinship. A common object of study is one of the more important of such bondages. Various sciences may study a common object from various point of views, from various angles of observations and for various purposes. The differences, on one hand, carve out quite different courses of study for each science and on the other hand convert them to a common then of study. According to Gillin and Gillin, cultural sociology would give an illuminating idea in this regard. It is true that in each science, a general class of object tend to receive more attention than other classes of objects, but it is also true that different sciences may study the same objects but with different points of view. For example, consider men of the object of study. The physician must be intended in the system of stresses in his skeleton, the chemist in the elements and compounds in his body, the anatomist in the relationship of muscles, bones, and organs, the psychologist in this reaction to stimulate the sociologist in his behavior in relation to other human beings. Social sciences may be regarded as those branches of study which look to man as essentially a social being. They may be defined as those mental or cultural sciences which deal with the activities of the individual as a member of a group. Their interrelationship take its start from this point. Some sciences, although do not strictly take man as a social being for their purposes of study, yet in their ultimate analysis they also deal with man. These sciences assume a status. Biology, as for example, studies man as a single complex of mechanical combination. Yet when applied to the helping art of man, it functions upon a definite social relationship between the diseased and the healer. However, a study of the relationship between sociology and other social sciences is important and useful is grasping the comprehensive nature of sociology itself and also in the understanding of the multiple branches of human knowledge which come to contribute in the affairs of man as social being. Sociology, although no longer claims to be all-inclusive science of society, but does not claim to be synoptic. According to Burns and Baker, sociology is regarded neither as the mistress nor as the handmaid of the social sciences, but as their sister. It is therefore important to consider that how sociology is related with other disciplines of social life. For more updates, subscribe the channel and click the bell icon below this video.